Welcome to the Spy Collection. I'm Anastasios and today I'll share with you a covert listening device from Japan. The TX4, manufactured by Koni Electronics in the late 80s. This device was used by East and Southeast Asian as well as Western intelligence agencies in the late 80s, early 90s for tapping on telephone lines. If we check some magazines of that era, we'll find reference to this company's entity in the United States too, specifically in Springfield, Illinois, as you see here from Popular Mechanics from March 1987, and here October 1986, and finally from November 1986. The TX4 is a very simple device. As you can see, it is concealed to look like a normal fuse, and it's attached to the telephone line like a normal fuse. So unless someone was actively looking for it, they wouldn't notice anything out of place with a quick glance. When there was power in the power line, the TX4 was powered up, and the only thing that was doing was transmitting using FM radio signals. It was transmitting whatever was passing through the telephone line, typically the telephone conversation. It has no encryption or other secure communications mechanism. It just sits in line, and once the telephone is picked up, the line will power up and the TX4 will start transmitting over radio frequencies. Specifically, it has a range of 88 to 90 MHz, which can be tuned using this small hole that you see over here. In the case, we have a small screwdriver that we can use to achieve this. And you can see this over here. This means that the operator would first calibrate the listening device with any FM radio receiver to the desired frequency and then install it as described. For today's era, such simple FM radio-based telephone line bags are obsolete. They require the operator to be sitting close by, they can be trivially detected, they provide no security on the transmission, and nowadays many countries do not even operate analog telephone lines. However, in the 80s, when this was used, it was relatively effective. After all, it required no batteries, and who would have guessed that a fuse is actually a covert listening device? Well, nothing's as it seems.